Hi guys, so ngayon pag-usapan natin ano ba yung lucky color based sa zodiac sign mo. Pero tanda mo, hindi lang ito naka-base sa sun sign mo. We're also basing this sa moon sign mo at sa rising sign. Kung hindi mo alam yun, we have a link for that, okay? Sa baba ng ating video. So let's start with Aries. Ano ba yung lucky color mo? Well, it will be red or sipula, di ba? Kasi this brings energy, passion, and courage para sa zodiac sign mo. Next natin si Taurus. So, maganda dito sa'yo is green. So, it brings actually nature, growth, and stability naman. Well, for Gemini, maganda ang yellow. More lucky sila. Kasi it promotes intellect, optimism, and also curiosity. Yung healthy curiosity. So, of course, kay Cancer, puti or white. Kasi it helps you to bring more purity, intuition, and emotional depths. Kumbaga, mas yung mga emotions mo, mas mapapalalim yung connection mo with that. Of course, Leo, maganda sa'yo is gold, di ba? So, it gives kasi warmth at yung confidence mo binuboost, tsaka it symbolizes luxury. Habang kay Virgo naman, maganda sa'yo is the color brown. Kasi, ang tungkol siya sa ano tungkol siya sa reliability, or reliable, ayun, practicality, and analytical. Mas sharp pa yung mind mo. For Libra naman, we have pink. So, it gives out balance, harmony, and also, it brings a lot of charm para sa'yo. Scorpio, of course. Alam mo na yan. Black. Di ba? It gives out the mystery. It ignites your passion and yung transformative energy mo. Kasi nga, di ba? Endings ang sa'yo. Endings and beginnings. Sagittarius, maganda sa'yo. Purple. Ayan. So, kasi tungkol siya sa wisdom eh. So, andun din tungkol siya sa adventure and optimism. Para naman sa'yo, Capricorn, gray ang magandang color, which is about stability. Tungkol siya sa discipline and also pagiging sophisticated. Aquarius, huwag mong kalimutan maganda sa'yo is blue. Kasi tungkol siya sa innovation, independence, and of course, pagiging original. And last but not the least, Pisces. So, maganda sa'yo is lavender. So, tungkol siya sa compassion, creativity, and a dreamy vibe, kumbaga. Yun yung ibabalik sa'yo. So, again, we'll base this in your sun, moon, and rising zodiac sign. So, thank you so much for listening, and I hope nakatulong sa'yo yung mga tips na yon, and I'll see you on our next video.